If your Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Click on the little dots to open the Canon Inkjet Smart Connect options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Canon Inkjet Smart Connect data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Canon Inkjet Smart Connect is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Canon Inkjet Smart Connect data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Canon Inkjet Smart Connect is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Canon Inkjet Smart Connect and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Canon Inkjet Smart Connect again. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Click on Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Press Get. Wait for Canon Inkjet Smart Connect to be downloaded and installed. Now open Canon Inkjet Smart Connect.